Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can create a QR code for some contact from your phone book on iPhone. Please, friends, subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. Open the phone offer on your phone. Next, either create a new contact or go to your contacts folder. And here you will have to choose a person to whom you want to make a QR code. If you create a contact, then you will have to keep his number. After that, press New Number, create a new contact. Further, you will sign it somehow, as you will need, and then save it. After that, go to the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it on your main work screen, then swipe down on the center of the screen from top to bottom. And use search box and type in the word Shortcuts so you have this app. So we go into the Shortcuts app. In the bottom right corner, click on Gallery. Next, in the search box, type in the QR code. And now you'll need to click on this gray area. And then add a shortcut. After that, go to Shortcuts. Now find the one that you just created. It will usually be in this corner right here as the most recently created one. Click on it. Next is Add Contact. Next, you find the contact that you created or that you want to add. Maybe it will be your phone number. Even select the contact, and as you can see, immediately appears a QR code to it. Then, in order to save it to your gallery, you click on this sign in the bottom left corner on Share. Then scroll down a little bit and choose Save Picture. And you're done. After that, you can go to the gallery and make sure that this QR code has been created. Now you can just show this QR code, for example, if you created it to your phone number. Just show it to the person. They scan the QR code, and automatically the person will have your phone number. Friends, this is the simple way you can create QR codes for contacts from your phone book on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.